Welcome to Astra channel. In today's video we will talk about Soichiro Honda, the legend of motorcycles. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe. Soichiro Honda was born on November 17, 1906, in a small village in Japan. He grew up fascinated by machines and speed. His father was a blacksmith, who repaired bicycles and farming tools. This environment shaped Soichiro's love for mechanics. As a child, Soichiro often experimented with engines and machines. He once tried to make his own homemade vehicle. He left school early and went to work at a repair shop in Tokyo. There, he gained valuable experience fixing cars. Soichiro worked hard and learned everything about engines. His skills amazed his coworkers and even his boss. In 1928, he opened his own small auto repair business called Tokai Seiki. It produced piston rings for Toyota. However, his first attempt failed because the piston rings didn't meet Toyota's quality standards. Instead of giving up, Soichiro studied metallurgy and learned how to improve his designs. After years of effort, his company succeeded in producing high-quality piston rings. Toyota became one of his main clients. During World War II, his factory was destroyed twice, once by bombing and once by an earthquake. Soichiro decided to sell what remained of his company to Toyota. He then took a long rest and thought about the future. After the war, Japan needed affordable transportation. Soichiro saw a chance to help people move again. In 1946, he founded the Honda Technical Research Institute in Hamamatsu. It began in a small wooden shed. His first project was attaching small engines to bicycles. It became an instant hit. In 1948, Soichiro officially established Honda Motor Company. His dream was to create reliable motorcycles for everyone. The first Honda motorcycle, the Dream Type, was released in 1949. It was stylish, strong, and efficient. The Dream D-Type became a symbol of post-war hope. People could now travel faster and easier. Honda's motto was the power of dreams. He believed imagination could change the world. By the 1950s, Honda became the largest motorcycle producer in Japan, but Soichiro wanted to go global. In 1959, Honda entered the US market with the famous Super Cub. It changed the motorcycle industry forever. The Super Cub was light, affordable, and fun to ride. It became the world's best-selling motorcycle. Honda's advertising slogan, "You meet the nicest people on a Honda," made motorcycles popular with everyone. Soichiro believed in teamwork and innovation. He encouraged his engineers to think differently. In the 1960s, Honda began producing cars, starting with the T360 mini truck and S500 sports car. Honda entered Formula One racing in 1964, proving Japanese engineering could compete globally. Soichiro's passion for racing drove innovation. He believed racing improved technology for everyday people. By the 1970s, Honda became a symbol of quality, efficiency, and creativity worldwide. Soichiro Honda's story is proof that dreams, hard work, and innovation can change the world. In the 1970s, Honda launched the Civic, a compact car known for its reliability and fuel efficiency. The Civic's success opened doors for Honda in the global car market. It showed. In 1973, Soichiro introduced the Honda 295 engine, a cleaner. The 295 engine met US emission standards without a catalytic converter. Soichiro Honda's focus was never just profit. It was a. He once said, "Success can only be achieved." In 1978, Honda became the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer. Even with his success, Soichiro stayed humble and connected to his workers. He often visited the factory floor. He loved listening to engineers' ideas and encouraging young talent. He believed innovation came from teamwork. In 1980, Soichiro Honda officially retired as president, but remained as an advisor. Even in retirement, he continued to visit racetracks and innovation labs, always full of energy. He loved flying airplanes and often said that freedom and creativity were the true engines of life. Honda Motor Company continued to grow under his philosophy: respect for the individual and the three joys. The three joys were the joy of buying, joy of selling, and joy of creating. Soichiro's leadership style inspired generations of innovators across Japan and beyond. In 1985, Honda launched the NSX project, Japan's first true supercar inspired by Soichiro's racing vision. The NSX combined power, balance, and beauty. It was a tribute to Soichiro's belief in human potential. In his later years, Soichiro received numerous awards, including Japan's Blue Ribbon Medal and the Order of the Rising Sunday. Despite the honors, he always credited his team and never took sole pride in success. He once said, "A company is most valuable when it values its people." In 1991, the world mourned the passing of Soichiro Honda. His legacy continued through millions of engines and dreams. Around the world, Honda riders and workers honored his memory with gratitude and pride. Today, Honda remains one of the most respected automotive brands, guided by his vision. From motorcycles to cars, robots, and even aircraft, Honda continues to innovate fearlessly. His dream to make mobility for everyone lives on in every Honda creation. The world still remembers Soichiro Honda, not just as an engineer, but as a dreamer who built a legacy. His story teaches us that failure is not the end, it's the beginning of growth. Soichiro Honda's courage, passion, and creativity continue to inspire millions worldwide. From a small workshop to global success, Soichiro Honda proved that dreams have no limits. Thank you for watching Soichiro Honda, the legend of motorcycles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Astra channel.